Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Torn between the SONY 28-70mm F3.5-5.6 and the Canon RF 70-200mm F2.8 lens? It's a classic showdown. Lightweight versatility versus pro-grade reach.
The Sony at just £1 screams travel-friendly. But is a renewed standard zoom lens really enough for serious photography?
Don't underestimate it. Think about grabbing wide landscapes at 28mm, then zooming to 70mm for a quick portrait. Plus, optical steady shot helps steady those handheld shots. No tripod? No problem.
True, but the Canon, that bright f/2.8 aperture, is calling my name. And that telephoto reach. It looks like a serious piece of glass.
Let's break down these lenses and see which one truly shines, shall we? The Canon's constant f/2.8 aperture is a game changer. Imagine those super blurred backgrounds, that beautiful bokeh, even in dim light. Perfect for weddings or isolating subjects in a busy scene.
Okay, but the Sony is significantly cheaper, often found renewed around $225. What about budget-conscious photographers? Is the Canon at around $2,150 renewed really worth the investment? Good point. Let's talk focal length. That's where these lenses really diverge.
The Sony's 28-70mm is your everyday workhorse. It's ideal for walk-around shooting, family photos, even some casual video. It's a jack of all trades.
But the Canon 70-200mm is a telephoto beast. Think wildlife photography, sports events, or capturing details from afar. It's for those moments where you absolutely need two medats to get closer. Plus, Canon's nano USM autofocus is incredibly fast and silent.
So the core question, what do you mostly shoot, and what system are you using? The Sony is for Sony E-mount, and the Canon is for Canon RF mount.
If you're after a compact, affordable, and versatile lens for general photography, the renewed Sony 28-70mm is a fantastic value.
But if you demand top-tier image quality, incredible low-light performance, and serious telephoto reach, the Canon RF 70-200mm is the clear winner, despite the higher price tag. Both are great renewed lenses, but for very different photographers. Now, go make some amazing images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.